Ryan Buckner with Schellman here. Now, as you plan and prepare for your very next SOC examination or assessment, the tyranny of deadlines and timelines are ever apparent. But don't worry, if you just need a plain English understanding of exactly what goes into a successful SOC examination or assessment process and a typical timeline, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Every Schellman project includes 4 distinct but integrated phases. And these 4 phases work together to comprise the overall project timeline. And this is going to be important. So let's take a minute to discuss each phase and the typical timeline involved in those phases. The initial phase is the planning and preparation phase. And as one may expect, it is the most important phase of all the phases. This phase is intended to ensure alignment, not only with the agreed upon terms and expectations, but to also allow for any refinement to timelines or scope or deliverables, among other considerations. This phase is going to be extremely important because it allows for organizations to communicate any adjustments that need to be made that could impact the overall timeline. Oftentimes during this phase, a Schellman auditor may request additional questionnaires or demonstrations, and it's intended to provide a better understanding of your operations or your systems or in-scope services. After the initial planning and preparation phase, your Schellman audit team is going to identify various artifacts and evidence necessary to complete the audit. This is also going to include allowing sufficient time for your organization to identify, source, catalog, and submit that evidence to your Schellman audit team in advance of the testing phase. The third phase is the fieldwork or testing phase, and this is likely to be the most well-known phase in any SOC examination or assessment. This, in fact, is where your Schellman audit team is going to review and inspect any artifacts or evidence that has been provided, have any necessary follow-up conversations with evidence owners, and begin to catalog and document the results of their testing. Now, if you made it through the final phase, the reporting phase, high fives all around. This is the phase, as the name suggests, where the fruits of your labor are materialized. And this is a very collaborative phase because your Schellman audit team is going to produce a deliverable for you in draft format and provide it to your organization to review and approve. And upon acceptance of that deliverable, usually your organization will turn around that document back to your Schellman audit team where they will finalize it and formally issue to you in the form of a final report. Ryan Buckner with Schellman, thank you so much for your interest in Schellman SOC examination and assessment services. So if you'd like to move on to the next step, please feel free to contact us at the link below.